Hey guys, this is Divij and welcome back to another video. I was irregular due to my exams and from now onwards I'll be regular on my channel. So guys, today I have a very exciting unboxing. As you can see from the box, it's an Apple product. Before watching the video, please subscribe to my channel, the red subscribe button, and do click on the bell icon. Now let's continue with the video. So guys, this is the all new 2019 iPad 7th generation. This comes with a 10.2 inch screen and it is the latest budget iPad. And guys, this is the best product you can buy now from Apple. So now let's continue with the unboxing. On the front you can see how slim the iPad is, and on the bottom we have the Apple logo. This is the space grey version, so the Apple logo is also in space grey color. That's attention to detail. On the right side we have iPad written on the box. And now let's come to the back. So guys, I have the iPad 7th generation Wi-Fi version with 128 gigs of storage, and this is the space grey version. The pricing mentioned on the box is 37,900 as you can see, but I'll tell you the pricing later in the video. Guys, I had opened this iPad at the Apple store as I had to make a new Apple ID and I had to log in it. So now I have repacked it. So please bear with me. Now let's continue. Let's open the box. Here is the new iPad. Let us keep this aside and see other box contents. Here we get the lightning cable. Below this we get the adapter. It's a 10-watt adapter as you can see. And now let's check, do we get Apple stickers with the iPad or not. Let's remove all the papers from this. So this is the quick start guide, and yes, we do get Apple stickers, which is a really good thing. Now let's come to the iPad. So guys, this is the beauty, the space grey version. As you can see, it looks really good. And guys, this is the first iPad which supports the budget iPad, which supports the Apple Pencil. As you can see, these are the magnetic points for connecting the Apple Pencil. So guys, let me boot it up and I'll get back to you. It rose to life, the Apple logo. I'll get back to you. So guys, I had set it up in the Apple store and the screen quality is just phenomenal. It has a retina display, a 10.2 inch display, and the display quality is just really nice. So guys, this iPad comes with 4 gigs of RAM like the 6th generation, and it is powered by the Apple A10X chip, which is a really powerful chip nowadays too. This ID has Touch ID version 1, which was in the iPhone 7, and it's fairly nice. It's quite fast. I'll give you a demo of the fingerprint scanner now. It's really fast as you can see. And guys, talking about the cameras, the front camera is a 1.2 megapixel camera, while the back camera is an 8 megapixel camera, as you can see. The front camera is fairly good for FaceTime calls, and the back camera, I found it impressive. So guys, we also get 1 year free Apple TV subscription, as you can see. Its duration is for 1 year. So guys, this iPad has stereo speakers, as you can see, and the sound quality is really good. It runs on iPadOS and the software version is iOS 13.3, which is the latest one. So guys, the iPad supports gestures too, like the latest iPhones. Like this, we don't need to press the button every time to close an app. Now talking about the multitasking option, just swipe up and as you can see the iPadOS is really nice and it supports multi-finger touch. That's really cool. So guys, since the iPad is so big, so I had to buy a case. This is a case from a company named Grip, as you can see. First I thought to buy the Apple's original case, but it costed around 6,000 rupees and it was only a back case and I needed a flip case. It was really expensive, so I bought this cover for rupees 3,000 and I think this is a really good cover as it has sharp edges which would protect the sides of the iPad from getting scratched or dented. At the back it has this transparent kind of feel which gives it a really good look. So now let me put the iPad in this cover and see how it looks. So guys, now I have put the iPad in the cover and it looks really nice. It looks kind of futuristic and I love the look. And whenever I open this flap, the screen turns on automatically and turns off automatically too whenever I close this flap. And guys, this cover has a slot for Apple Pencil too, as you can see. Now talking about the iPad, this is the Wi-Fi version and not the cellular version, so it needs Wi-Fi to function and access to the internet. So guys, in the end I just want to conclude that this is a beast. It is really good for gaming, and if you want to buy an iPad which is budget friendly and you do not have heavy usage, so you can go for this one. It is much better than other companies' tablets. So guys, I bought this for 34,000 rupees from an Apple store near my house, and it is a true value for money product. So now guys, please do tell me in the comments if you want a PUBG gameplay test on this beast. As the gaming performance is really good, I'll make a separate video for that too. So guys, till then, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon and do like the video and stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye.